Welcome back to our channel. Keeping your home spotless just got easier, faster, and smarter. Meet the IMAGIC M3 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, the ultimate cleaning companion that vacuums and washes your floors at the same time. Whether it's dust, crumbs, or liquid spills, the IMAGIC M3 handles it all effortlessly. Today, we'll dive into its amazing features that make this cleaner a must-have for any home. Powerful suction and mopping in one. This vacuum cleaner 3 combines strong suction with efficient mopping, allowing you to vacuum and wash in a single pass. This means no more switching between broom, mop, and vacuum. One tool does it all. Perfect for busy lifestyles. Smart self-cleaning system. With just one press of a button, this vacuum cleaner cleans its own roller brush and water system. This self-cleaning feature keeps your device fresh, odor-free, and always ready for the next cleaning session. Now you can clean without disturbing sleeping kids, pets, or your own peace. Dual tank technology. The IMAGIC M3 uses separate clean and dirty water tanks to ensure you're always cleaning with fresh water. Say goodbye to spreading dirty water back onto your floors. Strong battery life. Powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery, this vacuum cleaner gives you up to 35 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge, enough to tackle an entire floor of your home without stopping. Despite its powerful motor, the M3 operates at a surprisingly low noise level. Lightweight and easy maneuverability. Weighing just under 10 pounds, the vacuum cleaner is designed for effortless maneuvering. Whether it's around furniture, into tight corners, or up the stairs, cleaning feels less like a chore and more like a glide. Multi-surface cleaning. From hardwood to tiles to low-pile carpets, the vacuum cleaner adjusts seamlessly. Its high-performance brush roll and suction adapt to different surfaces, delivering a deep clean everywhere. The smart LED display keeps you informed with real-time updates on battery life, cleaning modes, and maintenance alerts. You'll always know exactly how your cleaner is performing. In short, the IMAGIC M3 saves you time, makes cleaning effortless, and keeps your home looking its best. It's powerful, versatile, and smart, the perfect cleaning partner for any modern home. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, the IMAGIC M3 Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner is here to deliver spotless results every time. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.